¿Qué pasó? Hopefully everybody's having a good day today. So the past couple of weeks I've been working on the Impala. Here's a quick update for you guys. So I installed the motor, tranny, cast iron ram horns, Edelbrock high-rise intake, Edelbrock carburetor, air cleaner, harmonic balancer, water pump, and the fuel pump. And also these wire holders. I thought they were pretty nice. So just gotta extend them. Gotta extend them a little bit. But yep. So here's the update. I did a bunch of videos on installing the harmonic balancer, the intake manifold, the fuel pump, and the valve covers and all that stuff. But I had a few friends over, and they were drinking and gossiping like little schoolgirls. So I didn't post them up. So yeah. But today hopefully I'm gonna go put on the starter, and I'm working on the radiator support right now. So my plans are to get it running, or start it at least next weekend. But yeah, there it is. Looking pretty good, if I say so myself. Alright, so let me get back to this radiator support, and then I'll record it once I install it. ¿Qué pasó, everybody? So today I'm going to be working on the Impala, on the Impala. Give you guys a quick update. So I installed the starter, manifold, radiator support, radiator, painted everything, and this inner fender también. So there we go. Also cleaned the inside out, which is pretty nice. Missing everything. Got everything in the trunk though. Floors look clean. So, yeah. But I'm hoping to start it today. Just gotta put all these parts on. Got a battery, positive and ground. I have a vacuum, fuel lines, and bolts for the manifold right there. So yeah, so I'm gonna install some of those parts, and when I go to start it for the first time, I'm gonna record it, see what happens, see if I can get it running. Alright, so I'll get back to you guys. Alright, so here we go. Got a custom wiring going on. So I got a positive from the starter to the battery. Then we also got the ignition switch from the solenoid to the positive. And I put a power on the distributor. So yeah, here we go. Gonna start right now, hopefully. Ya ves, cuando prenden la cámara no quiere dar. Set up. Oh, and the custom gas tank right there. Sauce. Got Eddie the Barber y el Omar. Still have el pinche sol? Kinda, maybe. Yeah. Ready, Omar? Oh. No. So there you go. Now I have to adjust the timing, time the distributor, and the bottom hose didn't fit, so I can't run it for that long pedal. There it is, finally. It started. Whew. We'll see. So there you go, guys. It started. It's crazy. It's a crazy feeling. When you build a motor, you don't know if it's gonna start or not, if you built it right, if you tightened every single bolt. But yeah, there it is. Excited. Now I'm ready to do the brake system, the fuel lines, put all the accessories in the front. So yeah. Feel good right now. Alrighty, so that's it for this video, and I'll keep you guys posted. Thanks for watching.